Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Salesforce Connector for Prestashop. We will show you the installation and complete setup process of the module. Let's start. First step is to log in with your Prestashop admin panel and go to Module Manager. Now click the Upload a Module and select the module zip. It will install the module. Once you see the message module installed, click the Configure button. It will take you to the module configuration page. Now the setup process of module will begin from here. The first step is to copy the redirect URI from module setting page and click Generate Client ID and Secret button present at left bottom of page. It will open the Salesforce login page. Log in with your account. Now go to Setup, then App Manager. Click New Connected App. Enter connected app name. Enter contact email. Now enable OAuth settings in API section. Paste the redirect URI in callback URL. Select full access in scopes and click Add. Now enable client credentials flow. Click Save and Continue. Now click Manage in your app. Now copy consumer key, paste in module setting in respected field. Now copy consumer secret, paste in module setting in respected field. Now, enter any dummy values in token. Click Save. Now go to App Manager and click Manage in your app, then click Edit Policies. In Client Credentials Flow, click Search. Select the user from here. If you don't know the domain of your Salesforce account, then you may copy from here also. Now click Save. Now click Generate Tokens button. Once it will be connected, it will display the token. Once you see the token, refresh the module configuration page and you will see that token are present in respected fields. There are a few more fields in module setting like enter the domain of your Salesforce account. Now, select the Salesforce account for contact. Now, select the Salesforce price books for product price. Now, select the Salesforce contract for orders. Next field is Salesforce Product ID for adjustment. This field will be used to sync the shipping and other charges to respected product. If you don't know the product ID, then leave it blank. Module will generate it once needed. Next field is Start Date to sync orders. This field will set the date from which Prestashop orders will sync to Salesforce. One last field is Order Statuses. Select the order statuses of Prestashop orders that will be synced to Salesforce. Leave it you want to sync all orders. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products, and orders. Click the Salesforce menu and you will see the sync menus. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from Prestashop to Salesforce. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have already synced the customers. You can see the synced customer list is present. Let's see them in Salesforce also. See customers are present in Salesforce. You need to repeat same process for products and orders also. We have already synced them. Let's see the products and orders in Salesforce. We have tried to cover all points, mainly the setup process. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.